Hey everybody, welcome back. Brisket bean cheeseburger. That's what we're cooking today. I smoked some brisket yesterday and I made some baked beans, customized them, added the little extra stuff, put them underneath the brisket, let all the drippings from the brisket go into the beans. They were absolutely delicious. And we're gonna use those and we're gonna top on our cheeseburger today. So here's what we're using to make this. Super simple recipe list. Check it out. All right, here's what we're using. I got my hamburger patties. I've seasoned them real basic, just with some seasoned salt, some garlic powder, and I take some minced onions and I kind of just press in here. They'll rehydrate as I cook them. We have our super moist brisket, our baked beans, and cheese, and we're gonna toast our buns with garlic butter. So let's get this started. All right, let's get our burgers on the grill here. There we go. Okay, while the burgers are cooking, we're gonna go ahead and get our buns ready. We're gonna use Kerrygold pure Irish butter, my favorite. So we're just gonna put a light coat of butter on the buns here, and we're just gonna sprinkle with garlic powder. Ready to go on the grill when we flip the burgers. All right, our burgers are ready to flip here. Look at that nice grill mark. And since we flipped our burgers, we're gonna go ahead and get the buns on here. Just flip them upside down because we want nice grill marks on those too. We're gonna toast up while the burgers finish cooking. All right, let's get this cheese on. And check our buns. Oh, those are toasting nice. Nicely toasted. All right, I think our burgers are ready to come off the grill here. Oh yeah, look at that. Should have got the oversized buns. Oh, those are toasted nice. All right, let's get these inside and assemble. All right, so ready to assemble? We're gonna put a little mayo on here. I'm not gonna use ketchup because who eats ketchup on brisket? So we're gonna put a little mayo on here, top our burger right on here. Then we're gonna get a couple pieces of brisket. It's nice juicy brisket. Oh, look at that. We're gonna plop some beans on here and we're gonna top it off. I'll take a look at that. Doesn't that look amazing right there? All right, so let's cut this in half and see what it looks like inside. Then we're gonna taste. Wow, look at that. Now, as always, there's really only one thing left to do with this sandwich. Take a look at that. Oh, look at how juicy that is. Let's try this out. Wow. That's an amazing sandwich right there. Amazing, amazing sandwich. Brisket bean cheeseburger. This thing turned out awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and polish this off, but make sure you click that thumbs up button, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks for stopping. Have a great day.